Forum for Hills Autonomous State Movement mate FHASM pen ghonta inkorapli apharman Karbianglong East Lapen West District along kangkir kepha pedo aru chiklo ni phai kre thom ada por phai pho pen aru ni phai krepli por phai pho an aphan kangkir kepha po aru chiklo ni phai trokarni Forum for Hills Autonomous State Movement mate FHASM pen phirangkya mai ingnisi kangkir kepha phirangkya mai long lamthe ke paklangke Bharat Sarkar tum Constitution of India long ke toktang Article 244A Karbianglong Lapen West Karbianglong Lapen Dimasau District aphan pinyani anta ki pachun chedet aputhak ningkang samse chipaklangsi kangkir phalo Ove pho Sarkar chilar et pardung ron memorandum lo ki pia phita inglong aso khaya kar I ki pipe dra joksi FHASM along claim rapet APHLC ASDC KSA KNCA WKSA ASDC YF APHLC WCC UKYA XUPDS Welfare Society PYDC lapen kapre kasong pen chilangsi kangkir phalo Bangso kangkir ke Assam government lapen Indian government atum Article 244A ke pachun paprapji along RD nang ke pa NJ phansi inkir ponpo
We demand that the government of Assam and the government of India to fulfill their constitutional, moral and political responsibility by immediately initiating the process for the implementations of Article 244A ban guidelines. Emergency services including medical, fire, ambulance, electricity, press media, and all examinations related activities including school examinations are exempted from the ban. The ban will be non-violent, democratic and peaceful. We urge all public transport operator, business establishment, educational institutions and offices to voluntarily observe the ban in solidarity with our constitutional demand. No coercions or force will be used on the public. We appeal to all citizens, student civil society organizations, political parties and democratic forces to support this ban as a stand for constitutional justice, tribal dignity and democratic rights. Let this ban send a clear message to Delhi and Disport. Implement Article 244A now. Joint Convener in solidarity, Joint Convener for Hills Autonomous State Movement, James Sanse, Joint Convener Forum for Hills Autonomous State Movement.
News report Karbianglong Live.